In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 on Clickbank. You don't need any experience, and you're going to be able to apply this method to earn money as soon as today. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another video on how to crush it on Clickbank and how to get some money, some dollar bills in your pocket. And this method is going to be really good for you guys. It's going to help you get your first $100, not $100 per day, your first $100. But why that's important is because as soon as you get your feet wet, and once you get your first couple of sales on Clickbank and you see that it's possible, then I mean, there's nobody stopping you, right? So let's get right to the business. Let's stop behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. But before I actually continue, make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell to join the family. And my #1 recommendation to actually make money online will be the first link in the description. Now let's get to it. Now, first and foremost, the first step, guys, is creating a free Clickbank account. Very self-explanatory. Once you go to clickbank.com, create a free account. The next steps is finding a category that you're going to go and promote products with, right? Now, e-business and e-marketing is where, for this method, you can start out, right? But it really doesn't matter what niche. But here's the thing, guys. Let me ask you a question. Before you actually buy a product, right? What is usually the first thing that you do, right? You don't believe the salesman or the person selling the product. You're going to go ahead and do your own research to see if it's a legitimate product, right? So the way that you're going to go ahead and generate your first couple of $100 or your first $100 is simply by doing product reviews, right? And you can literally start from top to bottom. And you're probably thinking, well, Eric, I don't have all this money to buy all these products. I get it. There's two things that are pretty cool. Number one is that there's already reviews that are out there that can kind of give you a basis of what the product's already about, especially if somebody's already bought the product. Number two is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a method that you guys can leverage without even buying the product, right? Now, once you find a product that you guys want to review, the first step is, right, clicking to see what the actual product looks like, right? So here's an example for 5minuteprofitsites.net, right? Now, basically, just to show you guys an example of what somebody's already doing, right? This person did not buy the product, right? This person did not buy the product, but he's simply doing a review, right? He either did due diligence and did his research, because it's a whole bunch of blogs or a whole bunch of other YouTube videos of people who are reviewing these sites. And number two is he simply just put this screen up right here. And just how I'm recording right now, he's recording his opinion right in front of this video sales presentation. Now, what that does is that two things. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and either give your, regardless, you want to go ahead and give your honest review, right? Because that's going to go ahead and build trust to the people who are actually viewing the videos. But number two is you want to go ahead and, if it is a good product, right, you want to go ahead and drop the link in the description of that product that you're reviewing. If it isn't a good product, you want to go ahead and put in the link in the description the alternative that is actually going to help people get results, right? So let me give you guys an example. Let's just say this video's right here, blah, 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 blah. I'm giving a review. I like it. I don't like it. If I don't like it, I'm simply going to say, listen, this is a crappy product, right? I'm going to give you my honest opinion. But if you guys want a legitimate way to actually make money online, click the first link in my description and you'll be able to get it, right? Boom. What's going to happen is, because you've already built trust with this person, because you've given them an honest review, they're going to be more willing to actually take advantage of your offer without even doing research, because they already see that you're a trustful person. You just gave a bad review on something to help them avoid a negative product. Number two, if you do like the product, right, cool. Right before they actually buy it, they stumbled across your review. You're going to go ahead and steal that traffic, and you're going to recommend them to the product that actually works, that you just did a review on. And then they're going to go ahead and buy the product, right? And you're simply just going to go to review it in front of the video sales letter. You don't have to buy the product. You can simply look at a review that somebody who already bought it, and simply just stand in front of the video sales letter, which is their page. Do the review and have a call to action at the end of the video, right? Now, you're probably asking, how do I rank these YouTube videos? Now, guys, There's a couple of steps to ranking your YouTube videos, and I'll simply go ahead and show you guys how to do it with this exact guy and how he ranked number, let me see where he's at. So 5-minute profit sites. So first thing to rank these videos is you want to have 5-minute profit sites review, right? You want to have, the first tip is having it in the title, right? The first line should be the keywords that you're trying to rank for, right? So you want to go ahead and whatever the product is, right? You want to say product's name and then review, because that's what people are going to search for when they're actually looking for a review for that product, right? So an example, 5 minutes profit sites. So that's the product. Review. So more likely of a chance of ranking for that keyword. Number 2 is having the logo or the actual name in the thumbnail, right? Having it in the thumbnail. So go ahead and actually have it in the thumbnail. That's number 2. Number 3 is having it, I'm not sure if this guy did it, but you want to have it in the, you want to have it above the fold in the YouTube video, right? So in this review of 5 minutes profit sites. So that's going to strengthen your chance of actually ranking your videos by having it above the fold. So you see this show more right here? As long as the name is above that show more, right, it's going to heighten your chances of actually ranking it. And then if you look at your tags, what's going to happen is YouTube gives you the option of writing these tags when you're trying to rank your videos. And you just want to put tags related to the keyword, right? So 5-minute profit sites. He's ranked number 2. Is 5 minutes profit sites worth it? Ranked number 1. Is 5-minute profit sites a scam? Number 1. 5 minutes process. So one thing that he didn't put, which is very stupid, is, but he's still ranked number 1 for this keyword, is 5-minute profit sites review, right? He should have put that in his tags, right? But with that being said, guys, you want to go ahead and have it in your tags. You want to have it in your title. You want to have it above the fold, the keyword above the fold. And if you notice, he has his, own product right here, right? That's where he's driving traffic to. And then you want to have it in the title. Now, the reason why his is ranked first before this one is because he has a negative title, right? It says profit scam review. It says avoid, right? So naturally people are going to click something that has negativity in the title, right? So that's how you actually rank these videos. And once you go ahead and rank these videos, you're going to start driving traffic to either your alternative choice, which is going to be your Clickbank link, or it's going to go ahead and be, if it's a positive review, you're going to just drive a link to that actual offer, right? So with that being said, guys, that's how you earn your first $100, right? You simply go ahead and do these product reviews. You don't have to buy the product. You simply stand in front of the video sales presentation, do your research, see if somebody's created a review already, put your own twist on it. If they gave a positive review, you give a positive review and you recommend the product. If they gave a negative review, but if you see multiple negative reviews, you go ahead and give your own little twist to it and then recommend something alternative that is actually going to provide value to your audience and your viewer. You're going to drive highly targeted traffic to your affiliate marketing offers for free, absolutely free, and you're going to start generating commissions on autopilot. If you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, because I drop heat on the daily. And as stated before, what I want to go ahead and give you guys access to is actually a course, right, that teaches you guys how to do paid traffic with Clickbank and affiliate marketing, right? It'll be the second link in the description, first or second link. Grab access to that course. I'll show you exactly what the link looks like right here. Click the link. Take immediate action. If you guys want to go ahead and learn how to make $1,000 per day with Clickbank, take action on that course, make the investment, and I will see you guys on the other side. Now, with that being said, appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.